I'm in Dumaguete and I'm in the Henry Hotel. This is the private gardens that us privileged people enjoy. There are about 9, I think, of these kind of villas, and I'll show you my room in a minute. But there are more of these villas down here. Lots of green. That's my room up there. It's just fantastic. We'll go up, have a look at my room, and then I'll take you through the rest of the gardens and show you the outside of a couple of the restaurants here. There are 6 restaurants. And then we're going to a friend's place, and he is Australian. He's been here for about a month, and he's going to cook sisig. All right, this is my room. Oh boy. There's a sofa and a TV, and I'm using the dining table there as a bit of a workstation. There's a fridge in here. Little fridge. This is kind of like a bar, I suppose. It's like being in a tree house. There's just green everywhere. Gigantic bed. Full-size mirror. And a really big bathroom. It's fabulous. All the toiletries you'd imagine. Everything you'd expect. I believe the total floor space is 32 square metres. And so just a quick look, I don't want to make you too jealous. As far as price goes, I don't know, because it's being paid for by a beautiful person subscriber. Lucky me. So we're back just outside my villa. There's 4 rooms in each one of these villas. And so these red gates here, this one's just been repainted. These red gates close the private area off. So you can come here to the Henry Hotel in Dumaguete and go to any one of the restaurants if you like and sit in the garden. But this part, that's the private oasis. Beautiful fountain. It's just manicured gardens everywhere. I'm not sure because I haven't been able to find out, but I would say that the whole complex is probably situated on something like 10 acres, which I think is about 4 hectares. All right, so that's reception down there. We can go there in a minute if you like. This is the main restaurant area. We're at the back of it. And this is like a little pasalubong store here. This is a small sans rival where I go for my breakfast. Then we come out here to this fabulous courtyard garden. That's a roof, so you can come here when it's raining. Look at these beautiful trees. Staff are lovely. And of course, just out there, across the road, is the sea. There isn't a beach, but there's the sea. And it's beautiful. This is a bar restaurant called Popolo. And then as we're moving further towards the road and towards the sea, this is the front garden area. And here's another beautiful, majestic old tree. Shade everywhere. Oh, I really love it here. And I'm here now for about 3 weeks. Then I'm going to Bacolod, and there's a Henry Hotel in Bacolod. So I'm going there for 6 days, and then I'm coming back here for another 6 days. It's just so refreshing to have green and no cars inside really, and space and shade. Hello, sir. Thank you. That's the Henry, like no other. And there's the sea. So we're directly across the road. This is the view. It's beautiful. You can see Sikihor Island over there, and then over there is Cebu Island. Very nice. It gets pretty wild at times. Whoa. So this is it. We're here at Reed's place. Knock on the door. Hello.
Hey mate.
And this is Reed. Reed's from Melbourne, where I come from. How long have you been here?
Been here about a month.
About a month?
About a month.
So you've only been here for a month, but you've already decided that you're going to have a go at cooking sisig.
That's right. Yep.
And you've got the face mask here. Is this what it's called?
Yeah, it's called the face mask, yeah.
So what's the anatomy? What have we got here?
These are where the ears were.
Oh, that's the ears.
Yeah.
And this is how
it's half a kilo.
Half a kilo.
Yep. If I wanted to recognise the pig, I could have bought a kilo.
Yeah. Right. Oh, really? And then you can recognise.
I probably would have recognised him.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
right.
Yeah.
And so what's the idea is that you boil it?
Yeah, it needs to be boiled for at least an hour, apparently.
An hour.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Okay. And so, but that's as far as we can go until your friend Jilin.
Yep.
Finishes work. She works at a mall, and she's coming round, fortunately, to supervise.
Yes, it's probably a very good thing.
And make sure that Reed does it properly. You boil it for how long?
About an hour.
An hour.
About an hour.
Then you bring it out, let it cool.
Yep.
And then you dice it.
It gets diced into really, really small pieces.
And then it gets fried.
Yeah. You will not recognise that it was actually face mask. I certainly didn't the first time.
Yeah.
And I'm glad I did.
When it was actually a sisig.
Yeah. When I had it at a restaurant, I had no idea it was actually the mask of a pig.
When you were at a restaurant?
Yeah.
He didn't have a restaurant. He's only been here for a month.
That's right.
Reed is back with Jilin. She's finished work at the mall. And we've got the rice on. And she's just starting to cut the pig's face. And so you're going to dice that up into small pieces?
Small pieces.
This will be a fully authentic Filipino sisig. Pretty adventurous thing for an Australian to do who's only been in the Philippines for a month. I'm just going to ask Jilin now because she's just done the onions. We've got some chilies coming out here because that's a lot of chili.
Without spicy.
Oh, good. I've had sisig several times, but I don't think I've ever had it looking quite this spicy. And I like spicy. Put an egg into the sisig. Because we don't have a sizzling plate, we put an egg in there. A friend from Australia has done nothing. Nice piece of chili there. Smells good. Oh, that's really nice. Spicy.
Very spicy, or it's good for you?
No, that's right for me. Yeah. Well, that's very good. Now this is the taste test. And because it's a pulatan, you say pulatan?
Yeah.
Pulatan? I've got a beer. Where's your beer?
I have also
Disguised as a coffee.
Oh, it's disguised as a coffee. All right, let's have, can I have a little bit of rice? Thank you. Just a little bit.
This is the alcohol beer.
Good. Grab yourself some sisig. I'm going to go ahead and add a bit. With another bit of chili. I haven't had a sisig that's so spicy before. And as a Pulatan, something that you would drink with beer, that you would eat while you were drinking beer, I think it works extremely well.
All right.
Big success. Well done, Julian.
Oh, that chili. It's killing me.
You need water.
You're trying to kill me again.
It's not very spicy.
Oh.
That's really good.
How can the face of a pig taste so good?
Who would have thought?
You have to be happy with that. Thank you for cooking.
Cheers. Yeah, thank you for cooking.
We couldn't have done it without you, that's for sure.